Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time with me, then hello, welcome to my little corner of YouTube. Okay, so for today's video, I decided to do a tutorial. Yes, a tutorial. I know, it's been so long since I did a tutorial and spent some time just sitting here doing makeup with you. But today I had some time. Well, actually I should be cleaning, but who wants to do that? So I went ahead and I randomly grabbed a bunch of palettes and threw them in this container, and I'm going to see what look I can come up with. And I'm sure I can come up with something. There's a lot of options here. So if you want to see what look I come up with, then all you have to do is keep on. I went ahead and did all my foundation and my concealer and everything off camera. This way we can just dive right into the video and start the eye look, because that's really what you're here for. But hey, if you do want to see how I apply my foundation, what my routine is, then just leave it in the comments below and let me know what you want to see, and I'll go ahead and make a video on that. And also know, if you do want to follow this look, you can use any colors that you have. It doesn't have to be the exact ones. I am using multiple palettes, so I don't even really know what I'm going to do at this point. We're just going to get creative and see how it turns out. I do want to point out before I get started, I do like using several colors, especially at the ends, because I like the way it comes together and it blends and it gives that unique look. So just be prepared to see multiple colors on this eye look. To get started, the first palette I'm pulling out is this Sorry Diaries from Pure. I got this in a BoxyCharm. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get these two colors right here, just to blend them together to apply my first perfect base for the look that I'm going for. Yet I still don't know what look I'm going to do, but we'll see. Okay, if you keep seeing me looking down, it's because I'm keeping up with the Kardashians right now, and it's really hard for me to not want to stop and look. So now with my Moda 430 brush, I'm going to go ahead and dab into those two colors. And I'm going to go ahead and put this into my crease right here. And I'm just going to put it into my crease. And if you don't really have a deep crease, that's okay. Just keep blending. Just keep blending. Just keep blending. Now grabbing my Pro Crown palette that we just received in our July BoxyCharm, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this little baby right here, second row, second one right there. And I'm just going to go ahead and go over what I just did, keeping it more towards the end of the eye. I'm just putting it all over that bad boy right there. Next, with some translucent powder, I'm going to go ahead and carve out the ends of my eye. This is the perfect brush for it. I've had this brush. It's supposed to be for chiseling out your jawline, but I don't really like it for that, so I do find that it works very well when doing this little trick to my eyes. I did do it a little bit high, but it's okay, because as I apply my eyeshadow, it will be wiping off and I can adjust it then. When I do my eyes, I do like to tend to do everything in an upward motion. This way my eyes don't droop, because they do have a tendency to droop. So I don't put eyeliner and have like a wing when I put my eyelashes and I have my makeup on in pictures. My eyes do tend to look droopy. So I always try to remember to keep everything up in an upward motion to bring out, elongate my eyes and make them look wider and open as well. Now going back into my Morphe 350S, I'm going to go ahead and grab this orangey color right here. And then once again, I'm going to go ahead and go over what I just did in the corner of my eye into my crease, not too far up front, because I want to keep everything right here at the end. And we're just going to layer. And I warned you in the beginning, I like to layer my eyeshadows. And I know you're probably thinking, well, you're just covering up the other colors that you did. Yes, that's what it's intended to do, because in the very end, you get this nice transition of color, and it just blends really flawlessly, in my opinion. And after I did that, I'm going to go ahead and add some more of that translucent powder. Now going in with our Elamir, this palette, and I believe it was our June BoxyCharm. I'm going to go ahead and pick up this color right here. And as you can see, I grabbed another brush. It's a little bit smaller. This is a Sephora eyeshadow precision brush. There's no number on it. So we're going to go ahead and apply this to the end of my eye. And just put it in the crease right there. Windshield wiper motion. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with our previous brush from Moda, and I'm going to go ahead and grab this first color right here that I did the first step, and I'm going to go ahead and once again just blend that all out. Now going back into this palette, I'm going to go ahead and use this color right here, same brush, and then I'm just going to apply it right here just to darken this section up. Always reapplying. I'm going to go ahead and grab this pure palette that I also received in a BoxyCharm. This is the one that had a lot of bad and good reviews. I think a little bit more bad than good. But I'm going to go ahead and try it, and using this right here, Buff or BFF. This is BFF. And apply that to the lid. I am applying this with a more flat brush than I did have before. Going over with another purple from MAC. I don't know, I have no idea what color this is. And this is going to go on my lid as well. And I'm just hoping that that pink kind of pops through the purple. Now going in with my Tarteist palette, I'm going to go ahead and use, I don't want to blind you, I'm going to put this upside down. I'm going to go ahead and use Bombshell. I'm going to take Bombshell and we're going to add it to the outer edge of my eye, into the crease right there. I'll go back to the Morphe palette and grabbing this color on the third row, second one, right there. I am applying that to my eye. And that's just going to be in the middle. So I'm now just wiping away the powder that I had right there on the side. Okay, this is the whole problem with me trying to do videos, is that I can never find a good spot. I'm so sorry. I try to fix the lighting. This is the best I could do right now with the sun. I know it's peeking through in the back, but I try to cover most of it. Now my light's probably a little bit darker, but we're going to continue with the video so this way we can beat the sun before it ruins the rest of my video. Now with this pencil brush from MAC, I'm going to go ahead and grab this orange right here, and we're just going to go ahead and place it under the eye. I'm going to go ahead and go back in and pick up this purple color, and I'm going to apply it right over, a little bit higher, so you can still see that orange. Okay, now going back into my Tarteist palette, I'm going to grab the Bombshell, which is a really dark purple. And, I'm going to go ahead and tap it with this color as well, just to make it a little bit more darker. And I'm going to put that under my eye, just above that orange. Okay, now with this gel liner from Pretty Vulgar, I love this gel liner. This is another item I received in BoxyCharm, and I just love it. I just don't like, and I've mentioned it before, this doesn't have a seal inside, so I feel like it's going to dry because it doesn't like air. It's not like airtight, and even when I received it in my BoxyCharm box, it was kind of loose. So that's the only thing I don't like, but it does feel like there's a lot in here, and I love the way it applies. So we're going to go ahead and just dab a little bit of that and apply it to the bottom waterline. Now I'm going to go back in to these two first colors, and I'm going to use it to go over going to go ahead and try this one. This is from another Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. I'm going to go ahead and try this one right here. Okay, that is better. I didn't want it too intense, but I did want it a little bit noticeable. I'm going to go ahead and apply the same color right here on my brow bone. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera, and I'll come back and touch up anything that needs to be touched up. Okay, so there you go. I went ahead and applied some eyebrows with mascara. I went ahead and touched up right here the corner of my eye and under my eyelid with a little bit of eyeliner, just to tie it all together, so this way you don't see the separation from the eye and your eyelashes. When you see that gap, that's the worst. So I went ahead and blended it all together. Now I'm going to go ahead and start on my contour. So I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite, the Kat Von D contouring palette, and what I do is I go ahead and apply these first two colors right here. I just mix them together.
I'm just going to do it really quick. I don't really like those sharp contouring cheekbones. I just like it nice and soft and natural. So I kind of just blend it in right there. Grab some more. Take it down, but you don't want it too far down. You want to stop about right there. You don't want to take it too close to your nose or your mouth. I'm going to go ahead and grab some more, and once again, just lightly start with the top because that's the darkest spot, and I'm going to take it down. Now remember, everybody's face is different, so when you contour, you may not exactly be doing it the way I apply it. If you have a smaller forehead, mine is nice and big, so I have room to apply. I'm going to go ahead and take it down to my chin, so this way you can hide some of that double chin, but which we all know it's still there. I'm going to go ahead and get these two shades, and we're going to go ahead and just dab it lightly under. Dab it lightly under, and once again, I'm going to go ahead and just apply it on my forehead to brighten that up. I'm going to grab some more, and I'm going to just go under the eye to brighten it up there, just a tad.
Just apply a little bit to my nose, just a tad. Okay, now it's time for lipstick. Try these little ones. I'm trying to reach right now for some of the makeup that I haven't used, that have just been sitting there. So I have these little ones. They're from Makeup Me, I believe that's the name of it. We're going to go ahead and use this lip liner, and it's the color Bear. I think we're going to go ahead and go with this one. I have no idea what color it is, and I don't even know how much is in there. Yeah. Cap. This messy ponytail to the side. And there you have it. If you like this look, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So if you want to see more looks and you like these tutorials, or you have other tutorials you are interested in me doing, let me know in the comments below. As always, I love you and have a blessed day.